By the end of this video, you will completely understand how to add utilities to either your NFT or your NFT collection. But not only that, I'm gonna also show you some tools that you can use to get the job done. All right, so we now in 2022, right? And NFTs, I would say, are in phase 2 as far as where they're gonna go in the long term. Because right now, a good amount of people know about them and they have a pretty good idea of what they are. And that's a step up from phase 1, right? Because phase 1 is when people thought that people were spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on screenshots and pictures of monkeys. And that brings me to a question I get asked all the time in the NFT community. Like, bro, do you have to be a big company or a team or anything like that to create an NFT collection? And mostly the people that ask me that the most are people just like me with a graphic design background and found out about NFTs and viewed it as a way to sell their art digitally. And if it's not people like that, then it's other people with just great ideas, great minds, but maybe they don't have a big team or they don't have existing popularity in order to get an NFT off the ground. And the answer to that question is actually double-sided, because yes, technically anybody can create an NFT collection. I mean, you even seen me create one on one of my first NFT videos. However, what I didn't know at the time, and what still 90% of the public does not know about NFTs, is that a collection is just way more than an image with random combinations and variations, and that NFTs actually have real value, and that's utility. All right, now what is utility? We're gonna read off the definition. Utility by definition is the state of being useful, profitable, and beneficial. And honestly, bro, that's exactly what it is. And see, what it means in terms of an NFT, or as far as an NFT being useful, is the exact same thing. The NFT is profitable and beneficial. And so let's use Bored Ape Yacht Club, for example, right? Because that's one of the biggest, most popular NFT collections right now. These are some of the ones you've seen go for well over 200K. Because see, when you get one of those images, the image itself isn't worth 200K. What you get with the image is worth 200K. See, the creators of that project did a great job in creating that hype, that demand, and that community. And so the utility is that the NFT acts as sort of like a pass, like a membership card to a virtual yacht club. Now that grants users access to exclusive benefits. Now these benefits could be passive income, ownership and licensing of these, all that kind of stuff. So like, I know for a fact that owners of the Bored Ape Yacht Club collection own commercial rights to theirs. So like, if Steph Curry wanted to use the one that he uses, if he wanted to sell those on t-shirts or whatever, he could do that because he gets commercial ownership. And so sometimes in a situation like that, you can start a business off your NFT. See, a lot of these projects have what you call a roadmap, which is basically their plan for the future for the project. And at certain points, they do giveaways, they do unlockables, all kinds of things to kind of make it exciting. And so right now, I bet you like, bro, how am I supposed to be able to do all of those things if I'm just one person that's trying to create an NFT collection? And I actually know of some tools that I've been using as far as the collections that I've been trying to concept over here. So let's jump on my computer and I'm gonna show y'all where and how to use it. All right, so the website I want to show y'all today is called Koji, website with Koji.com, and I'm actually gonna have a link in the description if you want to check it out. But I originally caught wind of this program, of this company. I was looking for something to kind of spice up my link in bio, and they say supercharge your link in bio. Bro, this is like link in bio, but like on steroids or whatever you want to call it. So they got a bunch of different apps, but what stood out to me, bro, is what they're adding for NFT and Web 3.0, right? And so I want to talk about how we can use these, you know, as an independent person who doesn't have a huge team that just that knows how to design, or you don't know how to design. Maybe you pay somebody on Fiverr and you like, man, I'm about to, you know, come up with a good roadmap and get this out the mud. Then, you know what I'm saying? This is something that you can use to help you do so, right? So let's talk about NFT Gallery first, all right? Your link in bio is canonical digital identity, and NFT Gallery is the perfect place to augment that identity by displaying your collection. Whether you own 2 or 200 NFTs, your audience can view them all in this easy to view configure gallery. All right, just copy and paste your Ethereum address and then public directly to your link in bio. You can reorder the NFTs in the gallery once you've published the app. All right, so basically they have the capability, if you're not familiar with NFTs, all right, so your NFTs are like tied to your Ethereum address. So if you want to display, you know what I'm saying, maybe you're gonna have a giveaway, and one of the perks of having your NFT is a giveaway and they can choose from them, then you can kind of have a gallery of them already in there or whatever. So that's pretty much how you can use it. Or hey, you can use this just to display the NFTs that you already own or whatever. So let's talk about this one. Unlock with NFT. This one is going to be huge, right? Provide utility and exclusive value to NFT owners with this app. Securely lock a photo or video that only unlocks when someone can verify they own a specific NFT. This first of a kind app makes it easy for anyone to use NFTs as a way of creating exclusive access to content. All right, we're gonna go ahead and preview this one. Use app. All right, so I can lock a photo or video, right? You can literally use this for anything. I'm just gonna throw out examples because a lot of the times when people ask, how can I turn my existing business into an NFT? Every business model can be an NFT. Let's say you resell sneakers for my sneaker reselling people out there, right? You could create an NFT, and the utility of owning that NFT might be, okay, you get an exclusive drop. You know what I'm saying? You get an exclusive drop every month, guaranteed. You know what I'm saying? Or for however the duration is that you'll have this NFT, right? You can use this tool to say, hey, only people who own my NFT, you can make like a code, a QR code that's only a photo. And this person has to own your NFT to see that QR code or photo. And that QR code is how you verify who actually owns your NFT, so that, hey, you know who to ship your sneakers out to. You basically know who's who. So remember earlier when we talked about Bored Ape Yacht Club and how their NFT is basically used as a digital pass or whatever. This is the kind of the same thing, right? So a user would use their NFT to unlock all kinds of content that you have set for them, right? So this can be private web pages. This can be all types of stuff, and you can use it with this app, all right? All right. NFT Secret Message. All right, so unlock a message with a verified token. NFT decrypts the hidden message. Only your NFT owners have access, right? So I seen a project in the past that kind of did that was the whole thing of their NFT, which was doing like a hidden message type deal, right? And people who decrypted that hidden message won Ethereum within the NFT community, or got a free NFT airdrop to them, or whatever the case may be. So that's how something like this you can once again add just more utility, more use to your NFT, right? NFT giveaway. This is probably going to be one of the biggest one, because we see on Twitter all the time NFT giveaways, right? And you probably think like, how do they conduct these, right? Well, this is how, right? NFT grants entry to contestants, right? So boom. Once again, I'm gonna try to use real life business models and try to, convert them into NFTs, so you kind of understand where I'm coming from. But let's say my sneaker resellers again, or maybe not a reseller, maybe you have a retail shop or whatever. Maybe purchasing this NFT gives people better chance to cop shoes, right? Or your products, because now you have to have this NFT to get into this raffle for these shoes or whatever. See, so now like Koji is cold, bro. Like these are some clutch apps, bro. And in another video, we're gonna go over all the stuff they got, but I just want to talk about how we can use this stuff to add utility, right? NFT message wall. Anyone can view NFT, required to post, built-in content moderation. Only owners of your NFTs can post, right? So when you talk about community, you talk about adding, specific stuff. Maybe this message wall, right? Let's say you're a stock insider, right? You give stock inside news and you want to transfer your business model over to NFT, right? Well, now you can use something like this to say, hey, you have to own my NFT to be able to see these messages that I put out over here. So it's not like full-blown OnlyFans, bro, but think of OnlyFans, but NFT OnlyFans, bro. Like, that's pretty dope, bro. So when you look at what they currently have, I know they have more stuff coming, but when you look at what they currently have, you can kind of see already how you can add utility, right? Adding utility to an NFT project is the number one thing, bro. And so, there's also other ways to add utility, but if you were ever just wondering like, bro, how could me as whatever I am, whether your side hustle is you sell lashes or, vending machine business or whatever the case may be, I promise you there's a way for you to